Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Bullx with Phantom Wallet. First, log into your Bullx account via the official website. Within your Bull dashboard, locate and select the Wallet Manager or Account Settings option. Next, choose the specific wallet you wish to integrate, then select the option to export private key. Ensure you safeguard this key securely. Next, launch your Phantom Wallet application or browser extension. In Phantom, navigate to the Add or Connect Wallet feature. Select Import Private Key and input the private key obtained from Bullx. After importing, verify that your Bullx wallet appears correctly within Phantom, ensuring all balances and assets are accurately displayed. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to